I just wondered if it's this quiet for other people in their town too. I'm in a small town, Makokata, Iowa, and this is like 11:30 in the afternoon on a Saturday. I was just out here. I'm getting ready to mow the yard, and I can hear somebody's air conditioner going. But I mean, other than that, it's quiet as hell. I hear a lot of like crickets, that's it. I heard like a robin, I think that was it. My wind chime once in a while. But most generally it's just so quiet out here. You almost feel like you're the only one in the world. So quiet. Of course, now my neighbors are out, so I hear them. Interesting. Come on, Kip. Say hi to YouTube. I gotta finish mowing and then maybe freeze some more of these tomatoes. I got quite a few tomatoes that need a whole bunch over there too. Tomatoes here. Freeze the rest of my kale. And I've still got a lot of tomatoes that still haven't finished ripening yet. These are yellow pear tomatoes. Got some cabbage. I think I'm gonna figure out a way to freeze that too. Chop it up and freeze it, like shred it. It's just so weird how quiet it is. Noon on Saturday, and it's just so quiet. It's eerie. Even though we hear a couple birds chirping. On a normal day, a month or so ago, you'd see this yard filled with like 20 birds. 5 here and there, a flock of 10, maybe 2 or 3 on the bird feeders. Now since the eclipse, there's none. It's like 95% of the birds just disappeared. Gone, vanished. It's crazy. Here's a bunch of purslane. This is a really good wild edible, wildly grown in almost everybody's yard. It's so good too. No, and got some peppers. Okay, I gotta come out there and do some more harvesting of my produce. Get it froze. Well, this is just my garden update and then an observation of how quiet it seems to be lately. Saturday, 11:30 in the afternoon. And it feels like it's like 3 in the morning or something. Like, it's so quiet. You just hear crickets. And there's not that many people out dealing with them. Weird. See you later.